Hello guys, welcome to AKV and this is Vishnu. So in this illustration, after obtaining heavy conversion of customers over a period of time in a petrol station, Mr. Petro has decided to set up a petrol pump facility on his own in a nearby site. He has compiled statistics related to the potential customer arrival patterns and service patterns as given below. He has also decided to evaluate the operations by using the simulation technique. And then guys, some of the details have been given, such as arrival, probability, service and probability. So arrivals will be 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, and this probability are 22, 30, 24, 14 and 10. In case of services, it is 4, 6, 8, 10, and the respective probability are 28%, 40%, 22% and 10%. The clock starts at 8 hours. So the clock or the works or the petrol pump starts at 8 a.m. Only one pump is set up. So there is only one petrol pump has been there, and then they have given the random numbers as current arrival time and then deposit service random numbers. So the random number has been given. So arrival time will be 78, 26, 94, 8, 46, 63, 18, 35, 59, 12, 97 and 82. And the deposit service time will be 44, 21, 73, then 98, 63, 35, 57, 31, 84, 24, 5 and 37. Going ahead the solution, we need to compute the range. For that we have arrival and service, therefore we need to compute the range for arrival as well as the range for service time. So arrival, as mentioned in the question, we need to write the arrival time and probability. Then we have cumulative probability, this current probability starting from 0.22, 0.22 plus 0.3, 0.52, 0.52 plus 0.24, 0.76, 0.76 plus 0.14, 0.90 and 0.90, 0.9 plus 0.1 will give you 1 or 100. So the range will be starting from 0 to 21, that is 20 and 2 on the cumulative probability minus 1 will give you 21. In the same way, next one, the cumulative probability is 52, therefore 52 minus 1 is 51. So the range starts from 22 to 51. Sorry guys, this is 22. To 51, and then we have 52 to 75, 75 to 89, 90 to 99. Then we have service probability, service time and probability and cumulative probability starting from 0.28, and then the second one will be 0.28 plus 0.4, that is 0.68, 0.9 and 1. The range starting from 0 to 27, that is 28 minus 1. Cumulative probability minus 1 will give you 27. And then on the next one, 28 to 67, that is 68 minus 1, and 68 to 89 and 90 to 99. Then we have the table. So in this table we have the number of patients, then random numbers, then inter-arrival time of the customers, then we have the entry time, then the random number of service, then service start time, and then service end time, then waiting time and idle time for the customers as well as idle time for filling. So starting from first one, so first one, the random number is 78. So 78 will comes in the range over here 76 to 89, which is 8 minutes. So the customer will be arrival at 8 minutes. So here the start time will be 8.08, right? Yes. Then the service random number will be 44. So when we check the range, we will get it is between 28 to 67, which means 6 the random number. So the customer will be coming on 8 minutes after starting the pump. Therefore, as we have discussed in the illustration that 8 p.m. the pump starts. Therefore, the customer will be arrival on 8:08 and he needs to fill his vehicle for 6 minutes. Therefore, 8.08 plus 6 will give you 8.14, and idle time for filling will be 8 minutes, right? Going ahead, second one. So the second random number is 26. So when we check the range for 26, it will be between 22 to 51, which means 4. So 4 is the next time. Therefore 8.08 plus 4 will give you 8.12, right? So the second arrival will be on 8 hours and 12 minutes am, 8:12 am. Okay, and the service random number is 21. So when we check the range, it will be on 0 to 27 basis. Therefore the 4 will be the service time. So 4 minutes will be the service time. Therefore 8:14 is the time when the previous customer has been filed. So after filling the vehicle of the previous customer, he can fill for the second customer. Therefore the service time will be starting from 8:14. So 4 minutes is required to fill the vehicle for the second customer. Therefore 14 plus 4 will give you the service end time as 8 hours and 18 minutes, 8:18 am. Therefore the customer has to wait for 2 minutes, because the customer will arrive at 8:12 am, but the customer can start filling his vehicle only on 8:14. Therefore there will be a difference of 2, which should be noted over here. So going further, for third one, it is the random number is 94. So when we check the range here, we have the range is at the last one, which is 90 to 99. 10 is the number, therefore it would be 10 minutes. So the next third customer will be arrived after 10 minutes. Therefore 8:12 plus 10 will give you 8:22 am, and the service random number will be 73. Therefore when we check the range, we can find that it is between 68 to 89. Therefore we have 8 minutes. So 8 minutes is time for the second one. So when we check here, 8:18 and 8:22, 8:22 is much bigger. So the customer has been arrived, or the third customer is arrived at 8:22 am. So the service time will be start at 8:22 am, and his vehicle is need to be filled at 8 minutes. Therefore 8:22 plus 8 will give you 8:30. Okay, therefore there will be a difference of 4 minutes, which is 8:18 minus 8:22. So guys, the same way you need to solve all the 12 random numbers of arrival as well as the service. After that, you need to take average waiting time, which is 150 by 12, and the average probability of idle time, which is 12 by 86. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you are clear with this example. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.